is Veg Joseph. My hobby is playing the piano and drawing, coloring, singing.
So I'm cooking Anaya's favorite dish. It's Hakka Noodles. She's a very fussy eater. So my only way of getting vegetables into her body is put all the vegetables that I can into a dish that she likes.
I like to eat Mama's Hakka Noodles. It's very yummy. I like the tomatoes and I like the taste of it. I like sharing with my friends.
There have been times when she's come home and says, Mama, the tiffin was really good, so next time you need to pack one for my friend as well. So then you feel, you've done a good job with the cooking.
My mom is supermom, a very good supermom.
So to start with, we'll put the pan on the gas. We'll just put in a little bit of oil. Once the oil is a little hot, I'll start in by putting in a little garlic. Give it a stir. Once the garlic is in the oil, we'll put in some spring onions and just give it a good mix. So I try to put in whatever vegetables that typically my daughter wouldn't eat otherwise. So you all can add in whatever vegetables you like. So I started by adding some broccoli because this is typically something my daughter otherwise doesn't eat. Red and yellow capsicum. Just put in a little pepper for a little bit of salt. We don't need to cook it completely. The vegetables need to be a little crunchy. 2 teaspoons of soya sauce. Put in 1 teaspoon of chili sauce and some tomato ketchup. Now you can see that the vegetables are all coated. Now we can add in a bit of cooked noodles. Now I've cooked this, I've boiled it in water as per the instructions. And once you strain it, you have to put in a little oil and run it under cold water so that it doesn't stick to each other. Boiled noodles to it. A good mix. You can also at the end put in scrambled eggs to make it more nutritious. Here we are. The Hakka noodles is ready. Simple, nutritious, made at home. Tastes just like restaurant style.